Oh man, downloading the current card right now. But what is going on, my good people, man? This is your main boy. Today is going to be a tour to my lovely studio. We'll see. Hope you like it. Let's get it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not yet. I'm gonna quit my job. I'm gonna be doing YouTube full time. Hell no. Just kidding, man, just kidding. So what's up, peeps? This is my lovely studio. If you have not been here before, I'm gonna walk you through where all the magic happens. Yay, party, party! Messing with you. So this is my studio, man. This is where I do my product reviews, my vlog sometimes, my podcast video. This is where it all happens. So, relying on my little kind of studio in here. Tables, I can move that aside, put it in the other side, make a little bit out of something's portability. Main table is going to be mounted or like dedicated in there. So one light setup, that's all I need for now. It's enough to power up a couple of people, make it like brighter or not so bright. It's a YN216. You can adjust the power. It's not remote controlled. Soon probably I'll go get a remote control if I decide to upgrade. Stand right here is the Avenger stand. I had that when I was in the past. I shoot a lot of photography, so I do have clients before, and we shoot down here in the basement. A couple of weddings, prenups. See that? It's gray. There's white. There's black right here. I mean, this one is white, and I got some movers blanket. Tip number 1. If you like podcast or like better audio, you want to have one of these. Very affordable. It's like $12 in Home Depot if you can get it. Basically, it's not like a pure seamless cloth. It has these grooves where it helps bounce the frequency of the audio or the sound, so it's much better. So little things. Got my boom mic. The Audio Technica, is boomed. That way I can just talk without even, like a podcast. Microphone is always in front of my face. Boom mic's gonna be dedicated on top of me. But basically that's the back end part. I'm gonna walk you through here real quick, man. Okay. This is where all the magic happens. So in this spot right here is where my main workstation belongs. Editing, post-process. This is where I use everything under the sun. Process my video, process my audio, laptop. Very simple approach. Give you a quick tip how I utilize my stuff, man, because kind of like minimal stuff that you can use since we don't have a dedicated rented place or any budget at that topic. This is self-sufficient hobby that we do, and although we got some perks a little bit, so you want to tone down your things as long as you can afford, and move up from there if the time permits. So quick, simple setup. Let me walk you through real quick. It feels to be in my workstation. Why am I filming this in Osmo Action? Because Osmo Action is amazing in this type of view. What do you call this? The coverage that it can present is better than this guy right here, the G85, or that guy right there, the A6100. So basically, if you want to produce how I, my stuff, how my end product looking like, only basic laptop. Acer Predator Helios 300, 3 years old, amazing rig. 15.6 inch, that's all you need. At least I need, you know. Got a little bit of DJ rack in here, you know, with some extension ports 3.0. That way you can do some extra ports. I got USB and the cam link. So the cam link is for your streaming, connected to your camera, to your laptop. Camera, cam link to your computer. That's how you want to stream it. Next is going to be this guy right here, which is the Behringer. Behringer is a preamp. So this means the main job of this thing is pretty simple, you know. The main job of this thing is pretty simple. It's converting mono sound, meaning the XLR sound, going digital. That's its main job. So I'm dealing with an XLR microphone, which is not USB, you know, the old typical one, which is a dynamic microphone. So we're using the Rode Pod mic in this instance, but so is my shotgun microphone, which is the Audio Technica. So that's the main job of that one. For monitoring purposes, you get the headphones, which is Audio Technica M40X. That's how I monitor it. Now, if I post-process, if I am done with it, if I'm happy or not, I got to determine. So in real world, you got to triangulate your position. This monitors right here, the speakers, at least actual sounding preference. This is optional, guys. This too can represent an exact way of telling if it's properly staged for your audio gain, if you properly EQ it, depending on your taste. But overall, it represents the actual environment of listening, not wearing the cans that is steadily cupped in your ears. This too right here is like actual representation. So this is my mini cabinetry. You cannot touch this. Even Beckett is off limits because he has taken out a couple of my favorite cars, namely Supra, rest in peace, and my BMW Z3. I miss you guys, but Lamborghini's the one that's left. Look, look, look. Yes. But mainly, this is the cabinet that inspires me on my childhood. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I got Naruto here. You know, I got tats on Naruto, man. Osmo Action is my go-to. I always have this ready on the go, just in case if I need to vlog quickly, just grab it and start shooting. I almost forgot how good this G85 does, but I start reshooting again for a vlog using my G85. But my Osmo Action is always ready with the mic attached, Sinova adapter, and we're good to go. Now I got all my gears here, man. I got some lenses. I got my Marvel here, but mainly focus on Iron Man. You know what I'm saying? Iron Man's the man. Tony! Miss you, Tony. Yeah, miss you, Tony. Right down here is our Pokemon. I'm a Pokemon lover, man. Y'all know that, man. My friends knows that. Got my Star Wars here, and I got the lovely gears down here, man. Quick hits, you know, filters, batteries, Joby tripod, and all that stuff. The boxes, you know. There's a reason why I leave the boxes in there, man. If you don't need items, though, you gotta resell it. You know why? You don't want to hoard things. This type of day, there's a lot of gadgets, but once again, there's no future proofing. Like the new Mavic Air 2. It's nice, but given a lot of restrictions coming in, you can't even just fly just because you like it. You gotta know your location. If you're in DC, yeah, find another hobby. You can't fly in there. Good luck, buddy. New York as well. You know, geofence. On top of that, the geofence that they imply when you're in that GPS location 5 miles from the airport, your drone will not take off, especially DJI. DJI is one of the best in, you know, the field. I can't imagine if you're not going to get DJI. Good luck on that one. try that. That's a very expensive experiment, but that's on you to find out. But DJI is the one. The ease of use, you know, the features, the reputation is all there. But once again, don't buy gears that you know you're not going to be utilizing. Mainly, if you need some gimbal, I got my gimbal here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's up for sale. I don't ship. I did local, but yeah. That's my Moza Air. If you need one, let your boy know. I'll hook you up. Yeah. But guys, that's it for today, man. That's quick hit, man. Always believe in what you can do. Always apply that Mamba mentality. Let's all create together. This your main boy. Always remember, God is good all the time.